on the uses of a MIG welder. The next step I'm going to show you is a very useful technique of creating tack welds. Why do we need tack welds? Well, when you're setting up to create something, we're joining two pieces of steel together, you don't necessarily always get it right first time. So the tack weld becomes very important. What we need to do is just decide where we're going to place something. To join these two items together, we would carefully measure and position and decide that that's where it wants to be. We'd place on our earthing clamp and we'd apply a tack weld. Mind your eyes. Okay, so we've tacked our two pieces together. Now, this is just a small weld. It will hold it there quite strongly. See, the two won't fall apart. But let's say, oh dear, that's wrong, I've made a mistake, right? What we can easily do is break this weld, separate the two pieces and start again. So, oh yes, that's better. Yes, it should have been there. Again, tack weld. And we can have another look. Let's see. Oh yes, that's fine. That's now nicely lined up. We can go ahead and weld those two items together.